3 tips to move abroad and teach English in 2023. Hi, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Madeline, and I have lived abroad in many different countries and solo traveled and worked. So the biggest thing I get asked when I talk about moving to a new country is, aren't I scared to start over? And yeah, of course I'm scared. It's scary moving to a new country. It's scary starting over. But I always ask myself, would I rather be scared and jump into the adventure and look back on my life having an adventure? Or would I rather look back on my life thinking, oh, what if I'd done that, or having some regrets? So I always want to run towards the fear of it. So tip 1, if you're thinking about moving abroad, I would say pick 2 to 3 countries. Actually, pick 3 countries and make a list, go through, research them, find out about the cultural differences, find out about the food, find out about the education systems, and write it all down. Then I want you to find somebody you really, really trust and go and talk to them about these 3 different countries. And then ask them at the end of it, which one did I sound the most excited about going to? That's your country. Tip number 2, know the visa requirements for the country that you're going to. Some countries will require bachelor's degrees, some won't. Some will require a TEFL certification, some won't. Some countries have special visas that they have with other countries or other communication. So just make sure you understand what visa requirements you need before you apply. Tip 3, get TEFL certified. Some countries will not require you to be TEFL certified, but even if you have teaching experience, don't have teaching experience, teaching English is very, very different. So you want to be as prepared as possible. Also, you'll be able to get higher paying jobs and better quality jobs if you have a TEFL certification on your resume. Hope that helps you get started. Those are the steps that I took when I was first thinking about getting TEFL certified. So again, I know it can be scary, but it is so worth the adventure to be able to go to a new country and speak a new language and meet the kids in different school systems. I personally love it here in Seoul, South Korea, and I don't regret it for a single day. So if you have any questions for me, feel free to pop them in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer. Bye for now.